This is Eric Muathe, Muathe.com. As the market continues to be very strong, let's take a look at what we need to understand is the reason why stocks have a major run. Here we have an example of a stock that is right now doing its best to break out past the recent 2019 monthly closing high. So the question becomes whether this is a quality breakout or just an okay breakout. Alright, first and foremost, one thing I want to discuss is, if you take a look at this chart visually, we can see that the biggest moving period or periods was here and here. And I'm talking about bullish runs. Those are the two major runs. And you can even say from here. Alright. Now what is interesting is, if you take those two areas of the biggest moves in the stock's trading history, this period here and this period here, there's something that is similar to those two time periods. We can see that coming off the 2009 drop in the market, we can see that the stock started to flash new highs as far as the RSI and MACDs are concerned. In other words, it met the minimum requirements for the ultimate Muathe breakout. We can see other examples here. On the way to a nice run, there was multiple reasons to see that the stock was flashing the ultimate Muathe breakout signals, even here. And again, we can see that. So, on the way up, multiple ultimate Muathe breakout signals, and we can see that during this breakout here in 2016, we also see that the stock did flash another ultimate Muathe breakout signal. So what I'm trying to get at here is very simple, is if we want to be part of a major run in a stock's trading history, we need to understand what it takes. And right now we can see that there's a price break. And what we can do, let's zoom in and take a look at a 3-year monthly view. So 3 years of monthly data. We can see that actually it is coming off the breakout level. Let me give it a buy point. It needs to stay above 2.38. And we need the minimum requirements to be met by the RSI and MACDs. Right now we can see that the MACDs are giving us the minimum requirement here. So we only need one of the MACDs. RSI is lagging. So if the stock is going to break out, it needs to meet the minimum requirements for the ultimate Muathe breakout. Links for that method are going to be in the description of the video. In other words, we would need to see this RSI also either break out or move above the 69.1 threshold. Otherwise, this is not going to be the strongest mover as far as the metals are concerned. For example, take a look at two recent Muathe.com subscriber breakouts. Alert given here for that breakout for SVM, and we have also a breakout alert issued here for Muathe.com paid subscribers right here. So that was a breakout alert sent out for SBGL. So just make sure that the stocks that you own the minimum requirements. Otherwise, you're going to be owning less powerful stocks when other people are owning strong stocks that are doing well in their sectors, as the market is showing stability, if not outright bullishness. Ultimate Muathe breakout links are going to be in the description. Peace and blessings. E-A-C-S.